made mentioned in some days ago that what we've been hearing during this Easter season, and particularly as we draw near to the solemnity of the ascension of Jesus, are not really Easter gospel accounts, but stories or scenes of the Lord during the Last Supper. At ang mga sinasabi niya po sa kanyang mga alagad ay ang kanyang mga tinatawag nga po nating mga huling habilin, o kaya sabihin po natin yung mga gusto niyang ipag-utos na ipagpatuloy nitong mga alagad ni Jesus. And my dear brothers and sisters, when we talk about giving a command or living some rules to follow, we also, in a way, see a consequent fruit after that. Dito lang po sa buhay po natin araw-araw. Kapag sinunod po natin yung placard na nagsasabing bawal tumawid, then we are all safe. Kapag sinabihan po tayo o bawas-bawasan mo ang mga matatabang pagkain, then you can live healthily, or sabihin nating bumaba ang inyong presyon. As Jesus left some commands and words to His disciples, He wanted them not only to be law-abiding citizens, that they are faithful to these commands, but joyful people as well. Hindi lang palasunod na tao, kung hindi lang masaya, kundi maligayang mga tao. And the Lord said it a while ago, I have told you this so that my joy might be in you and your joy might be complete. Jesus would want them to fully live what He said, but He also wanted them to be joyful with what He said and with the commands He left. And this, my brothers and sisters, may hopefully be a beautiful experience to us. To all of us, following laws, giving commands, and maybe on our end, embracing laws as well. That at every command we follow, every mandate or every law we follow, every mandate we embrace, we become joyful, not only happy, but joyful people. Dahil alam niyo po, may iilan po sa atin, they can really follow the rules black and white. They can be faithful to what was said of them by their superiors. Pero mas stricto pa yata sa Panginoon. They can be so stiff, unjust, full of anger, and sometimes would not show mercy and even understanding to others. More than being a principled disciple, be a joyful disciple as well. Na kahit papano sa pagsunod po natin kay Jesus, makita ito sa bakas ng mga ngiti natin, sa mga gagawin po nating desisyon, kahit po sa ating pakiramdam sa mga tao, makita po na ito yung maligayang sumusunod kay Jesus. It is not only enough that we follow per se, but to see in ourselves the invitation of the Lord that He is giving His commands not only to perfect us, but to make us joyful. My dear friends, it is the Lord's desire not to burden us with His commands, but to make us joyful in following it and joyful as well in living with it.